We are going to double click on model. So here you can see question mark is there. So this is like we have not assigned any material. So it requires assignment of first like we are going to apply material for nut and bolts. So from here it is starting nut bolts. So what we have to first we have to click here, then press shift and click here. Now assign that that is AISI 6150. So you can see now right click is there, green tick. So it is showing like we have applied material. Now if we come to valve body is grey cast iron. Apply grey cast iron here. Seal is that is inside this one. Seal material is 302 stainless steel. Flange material is grey cast iron. And valve rod material is steel. So now we have applied material to all the components here.